Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Phil, your friendly virtual eDiscovery geek, and one of my passions is making complex legal tech topics easy to understand. Today, we're diving into something that's absolutely critical in our digital age: eDiscovery. Ever wondered what happens to all those emails, texts, and digital files when a lawsuit or investigation kicks off? Well, that's where eDiscovery comes in. Dealing with that volume of information can easily become overwhelming, but understanding how to use this data to extract key insights is paramount in today's legal world. So, what is eDiscovery? At its core, eDiscovery, short for electronic discovery, is a process of identifying, preserving, collecting, analyzing, reviewing, and producing electronically stored information, also called ESI in legal cases. Think about it. 20, 30 years ago, most evidence was paper, documents, physical photos, written contracts. But now, the vast majority of information is digital. Emails, instant messages, social media posts, databases, spreadsheets, voicemails, even data from your smart devices. It's all ESI. When a legal dispute arises, lawyers need to find relevant evidence, and that evidence is increasingly electronic. eDiscovery is a structured way to handle this digital mountain of information. Why is this so important? And why does it matter? Well, for several reasons. One, truth finding. It's about getting to the truth. ESI often holds the most direct and unfiltered evidence related to a case. Imagine a crucial email chain or a deleted chat message. These can make or break a case. Number two, legal obligation. In many jurisdictions, parties involved in litigation have a legal duty to preserve and produce relevant ESI. Failing to do so can lead to severe penalties, like sanctions or even losing the case. It's a big deal. Number three, volume and complexity. The sheer volume of digital data is staggering. Without a systematic process like eDiscovery, finding the needle in the digital haystack would be impossible, costly, and incredibly time-consuming. To help manage this complex process, the eDiscovery industry often refers to the Electronic Discovery Reference Model, or EDRM. It breaks down eDiscovery into a series of logical stages. Let's quickly walk through them. Information governance. Before all else, it is imperative that you are proactively and defensively managing data locations and your information before litigation ever hits. Identification. Once litigation begins, it is important to figure out where relevant ESI might be located, who has it, and what systems is it on. Preservation. After identifying where ESI is located, the next step is ensuring the data is held onto. This is usually done by putting a legal hold on that information to prevent its alteration or deletion. Collection. Here's where we gather the identified ESI in a defensible manner. Processing. This is where we prepare the ESI for review. Things like deduplication, filtering, and converting file types all work together to make the ESI reviewable. Review. This is often the most time-consuming part. This is where legal teams examine documents for responsiveness, privilege, and relevance, among other things. Analysis. At this stage, patterns, key concepts, and insights within the data that might be helpful to the legal team are identified. Production. This is when the relevant, non-privileged ESI is delivered to the opposing party in agreed upon format. Presentation. At this stage, the ESI is used as evidence in depositions, hearings, or trials. eDiscovery doesn't just involve lawyers. It's a collaborative effort requiring a professional team to provide the desired insights. This includes eDiscovery project managers who oversee the entire process across the EDRM, attorneys and paralegals who guide the legal strategy and reviewing documents, IT professionals who help identify and collect data from complex systems, vendors and service providers who offer specialized software and expertise for processing, hosting, and reviewing vast amounts of ESI. The most successful eDiscovery processes are driven by seamless communication and collaboration across all these teams. No single person can handle the volume and complexity of modern data alone. So there you have it, a foundational understanding of what eDiscovery is. It's a complex but essential process that bridges the gap between our increasingly digital lives and the demands of the legal system. As data continues to grow, so too will the importance of effective eDiscovery. It's about ensuring fairness, efficiency, and the pursuit of justice in our digital world. Hey, before you go, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Let me know in the comments below what other eDiscovery topics you would like me to cover next.